Wonder Why Kids. Have you ever sneezed and heard a big ACHOO? Today's curious question is, why do we sneeze? Sneezing may sound funny, but it is actually your body's superpower to keep your nose clean and healthy. Your nose is like a filter for the air you breathe. It traps dust, pollen, and tiny germs. When too many of these get inside, your nose feels itchy. When your nose feels tickled, it sends a message to your brain. Your brain quickly answers, time to sneeze. Then many muscles work together to push air out very fast. Sneezing is teamwork between your nose, lungs, and brain. Sneezes can be loud because air rushes out of your body very quickly. The air moves through your nose and mouth like a tiny trumpet. Fast air makes a big sound, and slow air makes a small sound. Dust and pollen are tiny things in the air that often cause sneezes. When they touch the inside of your nose, your body wants to protect itself. A sneeze helps throw them out before they can make you sick. Sometimes we sneeze because germs are inside our nose. When you have a cold, your body sneezes more often to try to remove those germs. Sneezing is one way your immune system helps fight sickness. Did you know some people sneeze when they look at bright sunlight? This is called a sun sneeze. Scientists think the light confuses the brain and makes the nose think it is time to sneeze. When they sneeze, your eyes close automatically. This is a reflex. Your body does it to protect your eyes from flying air and tiny particles. It happens so fast that you cannot stop it. When they sneeze, always cover your nose and mouth with your elbow or a tissue. This helps stop germs from spreading to other people. Good sneeze manners keep everyone healthy and happy. Achoo! Bless you. When someone sneezes, people often say, bless you. This is a kind and polite way to show care. It reminds us to be friendly and thoughtful when others sneeze. Humans are not the only ones who sneeze. Dogs, cats, and even pandas sneeze too. Animals sneeze for the same reasons we do, to clear their noses and protect their bodies. Sneezing is healthy and normal. It's a sign that your body is working hard to protect you. When a sneeze sends dust and little germs flying out, they don't get to stay inside and bother your nose. Sneezing is amazing science inside your body. Your nose senses trouble, your brain sends signals, and your lungs push air out. All of this happens in just 1 second, and it all works together to protect your body. Today we learned that sneezes come from dust, pollen, germs, and even sunlight. Sneezing helps clean your nose and keeps your body healthy. It may sound funny, but it is very smart science. Our bodies know just how to protect themselves. Now you know why we sneeze and how your body protects you. Thanks for learning with Wonder Why Kids today. Bye Wonder Why Kids. Keep wondering, keep asking questions, and see you next time.